Do you know how Elon Musk is taking the space technology to the next level? Welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss the exciting world of technology. In this video, we will be talking about the future of space exploration and the possibilities of colonizing other planets. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. As we look to the future, we can imagine a future where humans are no longer limited to Earth and can instead travel throughout the vastness of the cosmos. So let's explore the subject and see what the future has in store for us. Future of space exploration and technology. Since the first human stepped foot in space in 1961, space exploration has advanced significantly. We have been able to launch spaceships to Mars, set down rovers on the moon, and send explorers to the most far limits of our solar system over the past 60 years. But what comes after? What does the future hold for us in the terms of technology and space exploration? The increased focus on space tourism is one of the most exciting developments in space exploration. Private companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin plan to send people on suborbital flights in the upcoming years so they may feel weightless and see Earth from orbit. This is just the start of what might develop into a brand new sector for leisure travel to space, where visitors can take in the wonders of the cosmos for themselves. The exploration of our solar system is another area of interest. The successful landing of NASA's Mars rover mission in February 2021 is only one of the major advancements in planetary exploration. Further trips to other planets and moons are likely to be launched in the upcoming years, which will allow us to learn more about the evolution of our solar system and perhaps find new resources that will be useful to humanity. Creation of reusable spacecraft, which can drastically lower the cost of space travel, is one area of focus. Advances in this field have already been achieved by businesses like SpaceX and Blue Origin, with SpaceX having launched and successfully landed their Falcon 9 rockets numerous times. Future space travel may become more accessible and economical as a result of this. Artificial intelligence and robotics advancements are also changing how we explore space. Robotic missions can be sent in conditions that could be too risky for people, such as those with high radiation levels or harsh temperatures. These robots can even be designed to make judgments and adjust to changing situations, making them even more useful for astronomical exploration. Asteroid mining. Mining is one such option. Water, minerals, and metals are among the precious resources found in asteroids. We can develop new industries and lessen our reliance on Earth's resources by mining these minerals. Possibilities of colonizing other planets. The idea of colonizing other planets is the first thing that springs to mind. For a long time, both scientists and the fans have imagined a future in which we could live on other planets. Mars is undoubtedly the most well known of these planets. To send people to Mars, numerous missions have been planned and carried out. For example, the Mars 1 mission is intended to deliver people to the planet by 2025. The project has since been rejected nevertheless. SpaceX Starship is a different mission that is currently under development. This is a reusable spaceship that is capable of carrying people to Mars. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, has stated his desire to establish a 1 million person self sustaining city on Mars. The Starship is built to make frequent journeys to and from Mars, which would be necessary for this. However, there are difficulties involved with settling distant worlds. The fact that other planets do not have the same conditions as Earth is one of the main obstacles. Mars, for example, has no magnetic field, a thin atmosphere, and the temperatures that can range from minus 195 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade. This implies that humans would need to construct homes that could shield them from the hostile surroundings. Here's where technology can help. 3D printing is another technology that might be utilized to inhabit distant planets. We can build things and structures utilizing resources from distant worlds. As a result, we would be able to save a tons of time and money by not having to carry all the resources from Earth. There are many opportunities for space exploration and technology in the future. We have the means to populate alien worlds, mine asteroids, and investigate the cosmos. Of course, there will be many obstacles to overcome, but with perseverance and creative thinking, we can succeed. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. Please like and share it with others. Also consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of our new uploads. Thank you so much.